Hello everybody, it is Michael here from My Retirement Trading, and today I'm going to show you how I use stockanalysis.com to do research and comparisons on stocks and ETFs. But before I get into this, I must state that none of this is financial advice or a recommendation, and it is for entertainment purposes only. With that being said, let me show you how I use stockanalysis.com. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is head over here to stockanalysis.com. And this is one of my favorite websites that I use on a regular basis to do comparisons and analysis on stocks and ETFs. And like I said, I use it on a regular basis for my trading and for my YouTube channel. And right here, when I first come here, it says iPhone/iPad app now available. And I'm glad they came out with this because I put it on my phone, and it's been very helpful to have it on the fly instead of just having to use my laptop. So I'm really glad that they did that. So that's an amazing deal. And so one of the things that I like using this for is comparisons of stocks and ETFs. So I go to the ETF comparison tool, and we'll put some stuff in here for fun just to show you how it works. We'll put NVII by Rec Shares. We'll put TDAC by Tap Alpha, KQQQ by Curve, and then we'll put something like an S&P 500 index fund like SPY for comparison sakes. And in a 1 year, which the NVII hasn't been out a whole year, but as of December 12th, it shows that it's outperforming, followed by the KQQQ, followed by the SPY, followed by TDAC. Well, what's neat about this tool is you can come over here from that time period when this came out, and you can highlight it and come to the right, and it puts it to that time frame, and still the same results. And NVII is still ahead, but TDAC came out September 4th, 2025. So what's neat about this, you can highlight that from that point, and it compares it, and now all of a sudden it's a different story. TDAC has outperformed all of those at this in that time frame. So I thought that would be neat to share with everybody. And one of the things that I like to do also is compare the underlying to the ETF. Like this NVII is based on NVIDIA, so let's compare NVIDIA against it. Well, it won't let you do it because the NVIDIA is a stock and this is an ETF, and I'm in the ETF comparison tool. But a little hack that I found is you can go over here to the stock part and hit that comparison tool, and you can put the NVIDIA at that point in there and the NVII, and we'll go to, year to date. And this fund has not been out. That I believe it came out in May, but that even being said, that it still has outperformed NVIDIA by, looks like, close to a little over 8%, maybe, or no, actually a little over 10%. So that'd be, I would have never known that if I wasn't for this tool. But you can take it like over here and compare it in that time frame. Yeah, and since it came out, it's outperformed it by about 7%. So thought that would be fun to share with everybody. And so, like, say if you wanted to learn more about the NVII, you can type it in there and it'll give you a basic overview. It says Rex NVIDIA Growth and Income ETF, NVII. And it shows you the at close price, the after hour price. It gives you an overview, like the amount of assets it has, expense ratio, shares outstanding, dividend yield, ex-dividend date, payout frequency, which is weekly on this one, volume, days range, etc. And then it even gives you a little basic summary over here on the right. And it says about NVII. It says the Rex NVIDIA Growth and Income ETF, NVII, is an exchange-traded fund that mostly invests in information technology equity. The fund seeks to provide weekly distributions through a synthetic covered call strategy on NVIDIA, while also aiming for 105% to 150% of NVIDIA's daily share price performance. The actively managed fund uses both standardized, exchange traded, and flex options collateralized by U.S. Treasuries. NVII was launched on May 28, 2025, and is issued by Rex Shares. So it gives you a lot of information about that. And the underline on this one is actually a stock. It's NVIDIA, so it's actually trending. So that's kind of cool. And it tells you that, basically a lot of the same information, like the market cap is 4.25 trillion, shares outstanding, PE ratio, forward PE, the trading volume, days range. Analysts have it as a strong buy with a price target of 248.64. Tells you the earnings date. Has the description of it over here. Has some news on it here. So that's kind of cool. And what I like is, like, you can click something like this forecast, and it'll tell you the NVIDIA stock forecast. It's got 39 analysts that cover this, and that cover NVIDIA stock have a consensus rating of a strong buy and an average price target of $248.64, with which forecasts a 42.06% increase in the stock price over the next year. So it's kind of cool that they show all this, and you can go down here a little bit lower, and it tells you the names of the analysts and the company they work for and how they have it rated, and tells you the number of them that have it as a strong buy. I mean, it's really a good tool for doing comparisons and learning about things involving stocks and ETFs. And like I said, I'll have a discount code in the description that'll give you 10% off on this. And the discount code is retirement. I'll have a link and the code in the description if anybody's interested in this. But like I said, I use it pretty much every day. And then I've been creating watch lists on it lately. And I just put ETFs that I usually have owned, or I currently own in here. So I kind of think that's kind of cool. And then, like, it'll tell you, like, you can click the dividends, and it'll tell you the yield and ex-dividend dates on these, and the payment date. So that's kind of cool to have all this information all in one place. So I enjoy that for sure. And then, like I said, they got this, got a lot of nice features here. One thing they have is they got a market newsletter that you can sign up for. And it says, stay informed in just 2 minutes. Market Bullets is a free newsletter that makes it super easy to keep up with financial markets. The newsletter is completely free, delivered to your inbox every morning before the market opens, Monday through Friday. And I get this in my email all the time, and it has a lot of great info or interesting info that I like to read on a regular basis. So I thought that was cool. And you could even, like, see what's they got a deal where it's trending. Let me see where that's at. Right here. And trending today, the hot number one is NVIDIA, followed by Broadcom, followed by Oracle, Netflix, Amazon. So it's kind of got a lot of cool things. And one thing that I like doing is, like in the S&P 500, like the SPY, I like to click the holdings and see, like, what the top 10 are. I enjoy doing that. And right now it's NVIDIA as of December 10th, 2025. NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Broadcom, Google or Alphabet, and Google again, Meta, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan is number 11. So I like to see that, and it's interesting to see all this kind of stuff here. Like I said, I do enjoy using it on a regular basis, and it tells you news onto the side over here, and you can even like click a chart on it, and so, I mean, it's got a lot of nice charts that you can kind of do, like a year-to-date chart, for example, and it came down here in April, but it's kind of like trending back upwards now. So, like I said, and there's probably so many features on this stock analysis that I haven't even uncovered at all. But I just basically use it for ETFs screening and comparisons. And I thought that would just be neat to share with everybody. But I hope this actually has helped somebody, and definitely check it out. And like I said, I'll have a link with a discount code in the description. But anyway, thank you for watching.